We've been playing a filler game.
A sandwich filler game.
We've been playing Crumbs by Minerva Games. Hi, I'm Libby, this is Julian, and together we are BoxedMeeples, and today we are talking to you about the game Crumbs. It is a filler game, and you're all about sandwich filling.
So this game is made by Minerva Games, who we best know from the game Swatch. I'm really excited about this game, particularly as it follows that beautiful kind of abstract art that you see in this game.
Yeah. As usual, we're going to do 5 reasons why you might like this game. So, shall we get into that?
I'm really hungry.
Okay, fine, let's make a sandwich.
Tenuous. Now, there's a well-known video game called Overcooked, where you have to deal with the pressure of an ongoing flow of customers, and you kind of get the same feeling when you are playing Crumbs. Like all great sandwich bars, you've got to think about not just what you're doing now, but also what you need for future turns. There's a lot of strategy that's hidden beneath the slices of this game. Like when do you toast, and how many sandwiches should you juggle at once? Which ingredient you need to keep back from your pantry when you're completing your sandwich orders? Is it worth taking that cheeky extra turn before you finish a sandwich because you're going to reset the tokens anyway? It's all those things that make you realise that, much like sandwiches, the odds are stacked against you.
So this might just be an 18-card game. And you think, oh, that's a small little filler, you know, wasting time, but not being that complicated. Which is true, but there's a lot of thinking going on in this game. These cards are reversible. They each have different things on them. So all of the ingredients have orders on them, and the different bread can also be toasted on different sides. So you're having to either use an action to toast your bread, or potentially if your order is a cheese order, that means you only have one more cheese to use for all of your orders, and how you manage those resources gets really, really interesting. So at its heart, of course, this game is a solo game, and that is probably the way that we actually prefer to play it. But there is very handily a little mode to playing it as a duo, which is great.
Yeah, when you're playing 2-player in co-op mode, communication really does become key. It becomes about, not just thinking about what you need, but also working out what your opponent needs. Especially as one of the action that actually transfers your ingredients from your pantry, from your counter, into the opponent's counter.
Well, you definitely can't be selfish in this one. You have got to think about, yes, what benefits you, but you're also going to have to help out the other halfers.
Yeah, you should leave the only person who would greedy should be the customers. And I think you need to avoid the urge to shout, yes, chef, whenever someone asks you if you need some avocado.
So another thing that we love about Crumbs is the card art. It looks glorious. The ingredients are all clean and crisp, like a crunchy salad.
What's really great about the game Crumbs is just how small it is. So in this little box, you've got some cards and you've got some tokens. So it really means you can take it anywhere with you where you want to go. And the great thing about this game is that it actually takes up a very little table space. So that means you can take it with you and you can enjoy it maybe in a sandwich bar or in a restaurant. And the good news is it only takes sort of 10 to 20 minutes to play, so you can probably play it in between your courses. So why not consider next time you're going out for lunch, not only taking a sandwich with you, but taking this game too.
So that's our 5 reasons why we've enjoyed playing this sandwich filling game, Crumbs. And if you think that you might like it too, then do please go ahead and back it on Kickstarter.
So we are BoxedMeeples. We post 2 videos on YouTube every single week, always about board games. So if that's your kind of thing, please head over to YouTube and you'll find us there. Subscribe to our channel. And also, if you've got any questions, there's a little comment section there. We're trying to answer any way we can. But as always, thank you so much for watching.
Bye.